time you can pretend it's nothing but the rain. How many times I've seen tears coming from your blue eyes. Rain and tears are the same, but in the sun you got to play the game. Give me an answer, love. I need an answer, love. Rain and tears in the sun, but in your heart you feel the rainbow waves. Rain or tears, both are shown, for in my heart there'll never be a sun. Rain and tears are the same, but in the sun you've got to play the game. I don't like to sleep alone. Stay with me, don't go. Talk with me for just a while. So much of you to get to know. Reaching out, touching you, leaving all the worries all behind. Loving you the way I do, my mouth on yours and yours on mine. Marry me, or let me live with you. Nothing's wrong when love is right. Like a man said in his song, help me make it through the night. Loneliness can get you down when you get to thinking no one cares. Lean on me
and I'll lean on you.
together we will see it through. No, I don't like to sleep alone. It's sad to think some folks do. No, I don't like to sleep alone. to you.
I don't like to sleep alone.
No one does. Do you?
The sun went up one rainy morning, just a couple of hours off the dawn. Mrs. Hadley peeked out through her curtains, wondering what was going on. The neighbor said over coffee cups that nice young couple is breaking up. In the living room, the linen and the crystals settled back and said to go. I tell myself once more I won't be here in spring to see my roses grow. And all the things you tried to fix, the roof still leaks, the door still sticks. House for sale, you can read it on the sign. House for sale, it was yours and it was mine. And tomorrow some strangers will be climbing up the stairs to the bedroom filled with memories, the one we used to share. I know you always loved that painting from that funny little shop in Spain. Remember how we found it when we ducked in from that sudden summer rain. But I think I keep the silver tray my mother gave us on our wedding day. House for sale, you can read it on the sign. House for sale, it was yours and it was mine. And tomorrow some strangers will be climbing up the stairs to the bedroom filled with memories, the one we used to share. House for sale, you can read it on the sign. House for sale, it was yours.
you today? Mother, don't worry, I'm fine. Promise to see you this summer. This time there'll be no delay. Mother, how are you today? I found the man of my dreams. Next time you will get to know him. Many things happened while I was away. Mother, how are you today? Mother, how are you today? Here is a note from your daughter. With me everything is okay. Mother, how are you today? Many things happened while I was away. Mother, how are you today? Mother, how are you today?
Oh, my love, my darling, I hunger for your touch alone, lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Oh, you still more. I need your love. I need your love. Come, speak your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Yeah. Oh, my love, my darling,
As I was slowly passing an orphan's home one day, and stopped there for a moment just to watch the children play. Alone a boy was standing, and when I asked him why, he turned with eyes that could not see, and he began to cry. I'm nobody's child, I'm nobody's child, just like a flower, I'm growing wild. No mommy's kisses and no daddy's smile. Nobody wants me, I'm nobody's child. People come for children and take them for their own, but they all seem to pass me, and I'm left here all alone. I know they'd like to take me, but when they see I'm blind, they always take some other child, and I am left behind. I'm nobody's child, I'm nobody's child, just like a flower, I'm growing wild. No mommy's kisses and no daddy's smile. Nobody wants me, I'm nobody's child. No mommy's arms to hold me or soothe me when I cry. Sometimes it gets so lonely, I wish that I could die. I'd walk the streets of heaven where all the blind can see, and just like all the other kids, there'd be a home for me. I'm nobody's child, I'm nobody's child, just like a flower, I'm growing wild. No mommy's kisses and no daddy's smile. Nobody wants me, I'm nobody's child. Nobody wants me, I'm nobody's child.
The road is long, with a many a winding tongue that leads us to who knows where, who knows where. But I'm strong, strong So on we go. His welfare is my concern. No burden is he to bear. We'll get there. For I know he would not encumber me. He ain't heavy. He's my brother. If I'm leaning at all, I'm leaning with sadness that everyone's heart isn't filled with the gladness of love for one another. It's a long, long road from which there is no return. While we're on the way to there, why not share? And the road doesn't weigh me down at all. He ain't heavy. He's my brother. He's my brother. He ain't heavy. He's my brother. He ain't heavy.
If you understand what I feel for you, you don't have to worry about things I do. If you read my mind, words that I can say, then you know the answer, the reasons why I stay. If you understand why the sky is blue, then it is so easy to be a human too. But there is so much that we never know, but I keep on trying. Love will make it grow. my helping hand, girl, to let my feelings show. So if you understand all the words I said, then you know the answer. What lives inside my head.
Walk away, please go, before you throw your life away, a life that I could share for just a day. We should have met some years ago. For your sake I say, walk away, just go. Walk away and live a life that's full with no regret. Don't look back at me, just try to forget. Why build a dream that cannot come true? So be strong, reach the stars now. Walk away, walk on. If I heard your voice, I'd beg you to stay. So don't say a word, just run, run away. Goodbye, my love. My tears will fall now that you're gone. I can't help but cry, but I must go on. I'm sad that after searching so long, knew I loved you, but told you, walk away, walk on. Walk on.
Take my hand for a while, explain it to me once again, just for the sake of my broken heart. Look into my eyes, and maybe I will understand how love I'd counted on was never there. You see, I thought that you might love me, so you caught me, it seems, off balance with a heart so full of love and pretty dreams that two should share. And so I know, but please, before you go, take my hand for a while, explain it to me once again, just for the sake of my broken heart. I say to you, I love somebody new. You were so good to me always. And when I see your heart, but I just can't hide it. Oh no, I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away. I can be so strong. I've been away too long. That way to me, it hurts you so, I see, but I just can't go on with life. I gave you all I had, so there is nothing left. I may be wrong, but I better go now. Oh no, I've been away too long.
well. I've been crying today, through my memories away. Something died as I cried for my broken souvenirs. Can I reach for the sun, find a place I belong? Now you're one of my broken souvenirs. If you need me again, there's no way you really can. Tasted pieces never make a home. And if you leave your room on some windy afternoon, try to see where all the pieces flew. It was hard to get on since my memories were gone. But if you ever see me again, I can. I've been crying today, through my memories away. Something died as I cried for my broken souvenirs. Can I reach for the sun, find a place I belong? Now you're one of my broken souvenirs. Now you're one of my broken souvenirs. Baby, you're one of my broken souvenirs.
Love, I'm coming home, so take my picture off the wall. I'm coming home, I've had enough of being alone. Dad, I'll see you soon. Don't keep me talking on the phone. You're wasting time, I've gotta move, I'm going home. Since I've been away, it gets harder every day. I really have a lot to learn. She loved me at the start, then she left and broke my heart. To my home I will return. Now I will come to you, back to the only friends I know. You understand, your love is true. I'm coming home. Since I've been away, it gets harder every day.
soul was a swaying to the beat of your heart, and your lips were saying that we won't dance apart. Now someone else is holding you the way I did then. So I will never, no, I'll never, never dance again. Oh no, I stayed at the dance hall. The memories were there, and my heart would break to see you take every step with him. I seemed to sign on that shoulder of his, and my heart was dying, thinking how sweet that is. Unless my arms are holding you the way they did then. Darling, I will never, no, I'll never, never dance again. Oh no. Oh, I dance with others just to show that I don't care. But my arms have discovered that the thrill just wasn't there unless my arms are holding you the way they did then. Darling, I will never, no, I'll never, never dance again. No, darling, no, I will never, no, I'll never, never dance again. I'll never dance
Sometimes when I look from my window, I see a beautiful stranger who beckons to me. I know where she comes from, but where does she go? One day I'll go with her, and then I shall know. Each day when she passes at 10:23, her eyes find my window. She's smiling at me. I run to the stairs, but too late, she is gone. She'll be back tomorrow at 1:15. On Sundays I miss her, she doesn't come by. I don't know the reason, guess I'll never know why. She may go away for the weekend, but then
come back on Monday at 10:20. The week passes quickly, and often I see that beautiful stranger who beckons to me. She stands on an island surrounded by sea, and the smile on her lips says, fly B-O-A-C.
For the very first time, I'm like a shark in the general line. I've got happiness, laughter, joy ever after. I'm in love for the very first time. Yes, I feel that we must stick together, no matter what the future will bring. Now you said you will love me forever, and today I've got a reason to sing. I'm in love for the very first time. I'm like a shark in a general line. I've got happiness, laughter, joy ever after. I'm in love for the very first time. Let me always be with you, my darling, 'cause without you can't live anymore. When we're sailing together, my darling, you will get me safely ashore. I'm in love for the very first time. I'm like a shark in a general line. I've got happiness, laughter, joy ever after. I'm in love for the very first time.
Just tell me, what have I done wrong? I've never been lying, you know it's true. I can go on living without you. I know that I can't live without you, because I love you. Starry, starry night, paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and the daffodils, catch the breeze and the winter chills in colors on the snowy linen land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling clouds in violet haze, reflect in Vincent's eyes of china blue, colors changing hue. Morning fields of amber grain, weathered faces lined in pain, are soothed beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I could have told you this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portraits hung in empty halls, frameless heads on nameless walls, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like the strangers that you've met, the ragged men in ragged clothes, a silver thorn, a bloody rose, lie crushed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will.
Goodbye, my own true lover, as we sing a love song.
is waiting, and my tears are falling rain.